All right, this is our topic 8.5, example 3, try it problem. The problem says the circle has a circumference of 9.42 units. What is the area of the square? Use 3.14 for pi and explain how you found the answer. I'm going to explain verbally as I'm kind of going through, but make sure that you are explaining written form if that's what it's asking you to do. So I'm going to write down the information that I have. I know that the circumference is equal to 9.42 units. I also know that circumference is equal to the diameter times pi, or circumference is equal to 2 times the radius times pi. So I can use either one of those, but I know that in order to kind of separate out, I need to know what I'm multiplying pi by in order to get, so what the diameter is times pi in order to get 9.42. So in order to know what I'm multiplying pi by, I'm going to divide by pi. So if I divide by pi, or my problem says divide by 3.14, that's going to give me an accurate answer with the problem. I end up getting 3 as my diameter. So now I know that my diameter is equal to 3. So all the way across this circle is equal to 3 units. Now if I divide that in half, I end up figuring out 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5, and that is equal to my radius. So my radius is 1.5. 1.5 is my radius, which is the length of one of the squares. Now, in order to figure out what the area of the square is, I'm going to erase all of this. In order to figure out what the area of the square is, I have to multiply the length times your width. And since it's a square, all those sides are the same. So I'm going to go length times width is equal to area. My length is 1.5. My width is 1.5. And then my area is equal to 2.25 units squared equals my area. So we're going backwards from the circumference, finding our diameter, then finding our radius, and using that in order to find the area of that square.